How's it going, everybody? This is Jack with astrophotography. Today, I'm going to show you is how to do some processing for beginners, Siril only. If you're a beginner for using Siril for processing your deep sky image, and I can show you is how to do it the easier way, tutorial only. This is my raw data photo of Messier 3. Let's click auto stretch, and we're going to crop first. Just like that. Now you really want to try crop it first. Make sure you don't want to get those dark edges from around here. And you want to go to background exterminator for fixing the backgrounds and the colors too. Just like that. If it looks a little bit green, use green noise remover. Click apply, and it fixes all of the details about the green noise. Now you click background exterminator one more time, and you want to try and make it like 15% and remove all of those little squares so it doesn't mess up about the little star clusters. Now let's do some stretch first. Go right here. It's the easiest thing you could ever try for doing stretching. And you really want to try to keep stretching your deep sky image for using the middle stretch and the black points. If you see it got a little bit nice in details, you keep stretching with little 1,000 stars. I'm going to do it one more stretch. Now the black points. Once you have a final image looking like this, and you want to click apply, if it looks a little bit green, you want to remove red channel and the blue channel. Make it a little bit darker. Here's a difference, if you try to fix it. Okay. Once you have a perfect photo for processing your Messier 3, and this looks perfect. It only takes 2.5 minutes for processing tutorial as for beginners. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos of 0 beginners processing tutorial. I will see you in the next video for using colors processing.